Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Twisted Paper Studio. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, like my video, and press the bell button to alert you whenever I have new videos. I'm a paper artist who mixes paper with fabric, and today I made, well, not today, but I'll be showing a book, flip through. It's a nature journal. It's inspired by nature. I'm working on a second book right now. This is the second one I'm working on. It'll be finished and in my shop soon. But this one is in my shop now. It's a little bit smaller. I believe it is, let's see. It is 5 or a little under 5 by 8.5. So let's get started. This is the front, and then the binding, and this is the back. And we'll open it up. I hope everyone's well and you're having a joyful summer. There's just some tags in here. It has a lace pocket with the book plate in it. This book belongs to. Here's some of the tags. I use Roxy Creations in my work. I love her work. Her digital kits are fun to work with. This is her, I believe this is her botanical kit. The first page with a little tab ruffle. And then here's a little notepad. I do have a video on how I make the notepads. And I just put that into a corner tuck. I made that with the master board. And then there's a pull-out. And a digital page. Some collage with stamping. Journaling space. Some more collage. Here's a little stamp on a book from the 1700s. Book page. Another little tag with this little leather tag. It's so cute. Some more journaling space. There's lots of journaling space, and this journal is primarily for journaling. Unlike the pretty books I have. It's a window envelope with a tag. Some more collage. This is a page out of the Edith Holden book. It's my center. Inside I have a tag. I just did the little flips on each side and sewed down some seam binding to give it some detail. Some more journaling space. And then here's a pocket with another little book. And of course, I have to pop a bunny in there. I love bunnies. And some more journaling space. Oops. Don't want to rip the paper. Here's a pocket flip. This is an envelope. The tag goes in here. I believe this is a first day. This is a first day cover envelope, and this is a piece of tissue paper put on the front. Some more collage, journaling. Journaling, definitely lots of journaling. Another piece of the Roxy Creations digital kit. This is a piece of my handmade paper. Avocado dyed handmade paper and coffee. I use both. Another little pocket here with some more tags. And then this little envelope is filled with goodies. Roxy Creations made this on her YouTube channel. She has a tutorial. It's the file folder. File folder. Oh. Oh no. We can't have that. Oh my goodness. That never happened. We're going to have to redo one. We can't have that happen. I'll have to get a new one. See there? Oh, and I have to put goodies in there. I didn't. I got to keep that out. Okay, moving along. I did some flowers in here just to give it some definition. I didn't fill it up so much. The new owner could probably fill it up. And then this way, it would give it more room with a little bit of space in between the signatures. Here's another pocket. This is collaged with some tags. This is cute. It's a little, I seen this in a Carol Law's video. It's a little flip with a pocket in the side. And then some more journaling space. It's another piece of my coffee dyed paper. Journaling, lots and lots of journaling. Fabric tab, fabric waffle tab. And I just made a paper clip in here with a little map pocket filled with some goodies. Just to give it a little visual. Some more journaling. A little tab. And did some stamping. Wildlife stamping. This is cute. This little beehive and these little bees. I have the little stamp. It comes on a stick. I love them. I went to a stamp show and I got some and I wished I would have got them all. I only got a few. And then COVID happened and they didn't have the stamp show last year. Some more stamping, some more journaling space. And here's another, this is the center and this is another Edith Holden flip. I just added some twine down the sides to give it some interest. A little bit of collaging for journaling inside. And then plenty of journaling space in here. Some more stamping. Some more stamping. Another little tag with a little fabric flip, and I just sewed on some butterfly buttons. It's a cute little journal. It is for sale in my Etsy shop. I am Twisted Paper Studio on Etsy. Another little journaling card. Another piece to my hand-dyed paper. Some grid paper. This is that Italian paper, Italian recycled paper. I love it. So this is an envelope flip. And then here's the tag. These are, that's a Roxy Creations label. Some vintage paper. And just a fussy or hand ripped out flower with the Roxy Creations label. This is embossed paper. And then I just fussy cut out a flower. I believe that's also from the Roxy Creations digital kit. Oops. And here's a bee. I think this bee is from my Porch Prints bee kit. Here's a Tracy Fox label with some fabric. And then just some stamping on some fabric. And then here's the little gatefolds flip I did. It's a video in my YouTube channel. I show you how to do it. I made it up. I love it. I use it in all my journals. It's just a piece of ledger paper, and then inside it has a little notepad for extra writing. And the new owner can write on it and take out a piece of paper just like a notepad. I love it. It's so cute. And that's it. And all my journals, I include a writing board. And this writing board has this on this side and this on this side. And that just helps you when you're journaling. If this were behind or something were behind inhibiting it, you could just put the paper down and then write, and it's a steady, smooth surface. I like them. They're really easy to do. If you want me to do a tutorial on them, you could say so in the comments. And this here is just a little baggie filled with some goodies from the new owner. Just some embossed pieces of paper and some tags of their own so they could decorate the book. And again, here's another lace pocket. I will definitely fix this envelope before I send it and stuff it with some more goodies. I hope you enjoyed the flip through. This is my nature journal series. I did sell one already. That's the second one, and then the third one I'm working on now. I also have some snippet rolls that I did myself. I'll be putting those into my shop as well. They are 1 yard each with fabric and paper of some of the colors that I have been using lately. They are just so cute. They're adorable. Thank you for watching my video. Again, please like the video and comment if you enjoyed it. Let me know how you are. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And remember to hit the bell so that you can get notified for when I post more videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great, blessed day.